Now here is the paperwork part of the box, okay? Now I forgot to do this earlier because this comes with a memory card, at least the version I ordered did. So keep an eye out for those really good sales where you can get the extra battery, a memory card, a 64 gig memory card, and the floaty. That's a pretty good deal, okay? So your camera must be updated before you can use it. Subscribe to get the most out of your GoPro. GoPro stickers. No assorted colors. Nice. Pro tips. Always handy. Double-sided. If you have product questions, the lifetime warranty. And now instead of that little envelope that people would say, I never got my card, they give it to you on this. All right, nice and easy. How you doing, folks? Here it is, the GoPro 13, lucky 13. We're gonna turn it to the correct side, right here. You're gonna push down, open up the door. I purchased a SanDisk 256 gig card, and this is how you insert it into your GoPro. You're gonna see that little slit right there. Make sure it's facing the correct direction. I'll put it right in there. You're gonna see it in there just like that. You're gonna hear a tiny little click, and it's gonna be completely seated right in there, nice and comfy. You're gonna take your new battery, not compatible with any other GoPro other than the 13 so far. Make sure this flap is facing the correct direction. Insert your battery. Close the door. The original GoPro would have a little red light to let you know it's in there. Turn it on. We're good to go.